Best electric woks. I bought and tested these electric woks so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've gone through the hassle of cooking, cleaning, and figuring out which ones offer the best value. If you're in the market for an electric wok that delivers on performance and quality, stick around as I share my honest thoughts on the top 5 options. Product number 1. Elite Gourmet EG6203 Electric Skillet. Let me tell you about my experience with the Elite Gourmet EG6203 Electric Skillet. First off, this 10.5 quart beauty has a generous cooking space that makes it perfect for family meals or entertaining friends. I remember the first time I fired it up, the embedded M-shaped heating element ensured that my fried rice cooked evenly without any hot spots, something I've struggled with in other skillets. The adjustable temperature control is a game changer, allowing me to fine-tune the heat between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The marbleized honeycomb non-stick surface is a dream. No more food sticking and making a mess. I was worried about cleaning, but it's dishwasher safe. Just remove the temperature control unit and it's good to go. I found that the thick cast aluminum body feels sturdy and robust, resisting rust and warping, which is a significant plus for durability. Product number 2. FGJ 13-inch carbon steel wok. Next up is the FGJ 13-inch carbon steel wok. I was excited to try this pre-seasoned wok because I've always wanted to get that authentic stir-fry taste that only a good carbon steel pan can deliver. Right out of the box, I was impressed by the craftsmanship. The flat bottom ensures even heat distribution, which is a must for perfect stir-frying. I remember firing it up for the first time, tossing in some veggies and chicken, and the results were outstanding. The food cooked quickly, and the natural non-stick surface allowed everything to slide right out, making cleanup a breeze. Product number 3. Elite Gourmet Ceramic Electric Skillet. Next on my list is the Elite Gourmet 12x12 Ceramic Electric Skillet. I decided to give this a shot because I wanted something that was both stylish and functional. Right off the bat, I loved the sleek dark gray finish. When I first plugged it in, I was pleased to find that it heated up rapidly. The 1200 watts make a noticeable difference, and the fully embedded heating element provides consistent heat. One of my favorite moments was preparing breakfast. The pancakes cooked evenly, and cleanup was super easy thanks to the PFAS-free ceramic coating. Unlike traditional non-stick surfaces, this ceramic option is healthier and safer, so I felt good about my cooking. Product number 4. Todlabe 13-inch carbon steel wok pan. Now, let's dive into the Todlabe 13-inch carbon steel wok pan. I was excited to use this wok because it's pre-seasoned and claims to have a natural non-stick surface. When I first started cooking with it, I was amazed at how quickly it heated up. The even heat distribution made my stir-fried veggies come out crispy yet tender. I remember tossing everything in and being thrilled to see them sizzle perfectly without sticking. The wide, flat base is a game changer, making tossing and flipping a breeze. And the heat-resistant glass lid allowed me to peek without losing steam. Product number 5 is the Kakinu 14-piece wok set, which is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to invest in a complete cooking solution. This set comes with everything you need, from the wok pan to spatulas and even an apron. The first time I opened the box, I was pleasantly surprised by how well everything was organized. The 12.6-inch wok is the perfect size for family meals, and its flat bottom is compatible with all stovetops. When I cooked with it, I was thrilled with how quickly it heated up, and the natural non-stick properties made cooking and cleanup effortless. The pros of this set are numerous. It's versatile with the ability to handle various cooking methods like stir-frying, deep-frying, and steaming. So there you have it, my top 5 electric woks and skillets. Whether you're looking for something versatile, stylish, or heavy-duty, there's an option for every type of cook. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision and brings a little more joy to your cooking adventures. Happy cooking!